Hello Pixar fans, welcome to another diecast review. Today I'm going to show you 8 cars from the holiday edition. All these Easter eggs are from the first movie, Disney Pixar Cars. Here we have Sally, Chick Hicks, Lightning McQueen, Charlie Checker, Chief Spearmint, Chief Shiny Wax, Fillmore, and Snot Rod. Each one of these Easter eggs has the Cars logo painted on them. All these cars are 1/55 scale diecasts original from Mattel, with the exact same design, colors and facial expression as the ones sold separately.